Aadhaar-Social media linking. Supreme Court to hear Facebook's case transfer plea by Sushovan Sarkar. The Supreme Court on Tuesday 20th August agreed to hear Facebook's transfer petition on September 13. The Supreme Court on Tuesday 20th August agreed to hear Facebook's transfer petition on September 13th on a number of cases across high courts seeking to link Aadhaar with social media accounts. Facebook is currently a respondent in a PIL seeking Aadhaar-Social media linkage, which is pending before the Madras High Court. The Apex Court also issued a notice to all the parties in the case, that is WhatsApp, Google, YouTube and others, and sought their response by the date of the next hearing. The bench, comprising Justices Deepak Gupta and Aniruddha Bose, however, has not stayed the hearing before the Madras High Court, which is scheduled for Wednesday 21st August. The principal prayer before the Madras High Court in a PIL filed by Anthony Clement Rubin in 2018 was for Aadhaar social media linking. However, in subsequent hearings, the scope of the case was expanded to include the issue of encryption and the possibility of introducing traceability of forwarded messages on encrypted communication platforms such as WhatsApp. Rubin, an animal rights activist, told the Quint that he had filed the PIL in 2018 after severe cyberbullying by anonymous pages on the issue of Jallikattu. Unable to get Facebook to take action against the alleged abusive cyberbullies, Rubin said he had approached the court to issue directions to social media platforms. Anthony Clement Rubin says, "The end relief that I am seeking through my PIL is for cyberbullying to be curbed. I want privacy to be protected and understand the implications of Aadhaar linking, but bullying affects people and should not be anonymous." So, what has Supreme Court told Facebook? Facebook's transfer plea had come up before the two-judge bench of the Supreme Court on 19th August, which was adjourned to the next day. On 20th August, in a hearing that lasted about 45 minutes, WhatsApp and Facebook were represented by senior advocate Kapil Sibal and former Attorney General of India Mukul Rohatgi respectively. The state of Tamil Nadu was represented by Attorney General K.K. Venugopal. According to Medianama, Facebook has petitioned the Supreme Court of India to transfer 4 similar petitions that are currently being heard in Madras, Bombay and Jabalpur High Courts. According to sources present at the court, the Attorney General did not advocate as such for linking of Aadhaar with social media. He only said that it has been considered by the court in Madras and there is need to find a balance. So, what's up with WhatsApp in Madras High Court? Facebook's petition seeks to transfer the PIL, which is pending before Madras High Court, to the Apex Court. While the top court has not stayed proceedings before the High Court, it has only restricted it from submitting its final finding. In its last hearing on July 24th, the High Court wanted to know if it is technically possible to trace the originator of a forwarded message on WhatsApp. In this regard, Dr. V. Kamakoti, a professor of computer science at IIT Madras and a member of the National Security Advisory Board under the Prime Minister's office, submitted a formal report on traceability on 31st July. Kamakoti, in his report to the court, provided 2 suggestions detailing how originator information of a WhatsApp message could be traced. Internet Freedom Foundation, which is an intervener in the case, however, said that diluting encryption in any form will have serious implications for the privacy of WhatsApp users. Apar Gupta, executive director of the Internet Freedom Foundation, told the Quint that introducing traceability would not only remove anonymity but result in fingerprinting of each message sent on any social media platform with the device ID, which then, in turn, ties in with the real-world ID of an individual because of e-KYC required for phones.